Hi. Here in the United States, if you thought this summer was bad, you haven't seen anything until this winter. This winter is going to be completely horrible. 80 to 85% of the continental United States is going to have just major snowstorms the entire winter, starting in November and lasting into April. The worst snowstorms are going to be in the Northeast. The rest of the country, up to the Northwest, is going to have snow just constantly, just constant snow the entire winter. It's going to be just horrible. The Northwest will be pretty dry. From California through the Southwest will be damp but cool. The deep south will be damp and cool, but there's a chance of a polar vortex diving down deep south at least 2 times during this winter. The upper half of Florida will be damp and cool, but the lower half of Florida will be dry and mild. Folks, I'm not kidding. This winter is going to be a winter from hell. I mean, not only are you going to have snowstorms, but you're going to have multiple blizzards and ice storms. And with gas prices the way they are, plus other energy bills, heating this winter is going to be just money sucking horrible. I mean, these polar vortexes that are coming down from Canada are going to be sub-zero temperatures of 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. It is going to be a nightmare of a winter. I am not looking forward to this. This is just going to be awful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.